Hello everyone. Today's topic is mechanism of transcription. In previous video we discussed about the transcription, promoter, structural gene and terminator. These three reasons required for the RNA synthesis, required for the transcription of DNA to make RNA strand, a small segment of RNA strand. Promoter, structural gene and terminator. If we see in this diagram, 3' end of the template strand contain the promoter sequence. Where will be promoter sequence? Where on that position only RNA polymerase enzyme binds. So after the binding of the RNA polymerase enzyme to the promoter site always present on the 3' end of the template. And which segment will be template? Where promoter will be present. For the transcription, promoter is the reason to bind the RNA polymerase. Then after the promoter reason, sequence of the bases, after that structural gene present which have to be coded in the form of RNA, which will be read by the RNA polymerase to make RNA. So structural gene, what is gene and what is structural gene? Base sequence of bases, and this sequence of bases present on the DNA. So, and we know that DNA is the hereditary material. So gene also will be, because gene is nothing, sequence of bases, sequence of base pair. So firstly we will talk about the gene, structural gene. Gene, functional unit of inheritance. Just like the DNA. Whole DNA contain the information, hereditary information, features, characters, everything. But always we talk about the genes where present on the DNA. So what is gene? This is the functional unit of inheritance. Unit of inheritance. Gene is the sequence of bases present on the DNA, and cistron is the segment of DNA which also contain each and every segment of the DNA will contain sequence of base pair. So sequence of bases form the gene, and cistron what will be? Segment of the DNA which contain genetic code to make polypeptide, a single polypeptide. Maybe multiple polypeptide. In prokaryote, this cistron able to make multiple polypeptides. So this structural gene could be of two types according to their coding reasons: monocistronic, polycistronic. Monocistronic mostly in eukaryotes, polycistronic mostly in prokaryotes. Structural gene which are involved in making RNA through the promoter, and will be at the point of terminator. Structural gene which will go for the transcription may be of two types: monocistronic, polycistronic. Monocistronic mostly in eukaryotes and polycistronic mostly in prokaryotes. What is the difference between monocistronic and polycistronic? Monocistronic gene have two parts. In eukaryotes, monocistronic structural gene present. What present there? Exon and intron. Coding region, non-coding region. Exon responsible to code, responsible to contain. Exon contain codes to make the polypeptide chain. Exon sequence that code for a particular characters and expressed in a mature and processed mRNA. Exons and introns. These two parts present in the monocistronic. Exon is the coding region, intron is the non-coding region. The sequence that code for a particular character. Sequence of the bases which code for the particular character called exons and is expressed and present in mature mRNA. But introns interrupted sequence. Exons interrupted by introns. Between two exons, introns present. These are non-coding sequence. Interrupted sequence that do not appear in the mature and processed mRNA. Now come to the polycistronic structural gene. In prokaryotes, only exons present there. Only exons, no introns present. In prokaryotes, and each exon responsible to make a particular protein. Regulatory genes. Some regulatory genes present on the DNA which do not code for anything but regulatory in function. Now come to the types of RNA and transcription process. mRNA, tRNA and rRNA. mRNA means messenger RNA, transfer RNA, tRNA means transfer RNA, rRNA means ribosomal RNA. All these RNA formed by the same process. Only enzymes will be different. Polymerase 1, 2, 3 will be involved in the formation of these three RNA. mRNA, tRNA, rRNA, but will be formed in the same way in the transcription process. So mRNA, what is the function of mRNA? It serves as a template for protein synthesis. mRNA work to provide the template for protein synthesis. DNA is transcribed to form an mRNA and which in turn translate to form protein. DNA is transcribed in the form of mRNA and which will be translated to form the protein. Protein is translated from where? From the mRNA. mRNA is transcribed from where? From the DNA. Now tRNA, transfer RNA. It brings amino acid. Function of the tRNA brings amino acid where present? In the cytosol. During translation process and read the genetic code. This genetic code present on the mRNA. If this is the mRNA, on this RNA, what present? Genetic code. And this strand is read by the transfer RNA and involved in the formation of peptide chain. Function of rRNA. rRNA means ribosomal RNA. These are the workbench for translation. Play structural and catalytic role. Now, process of transcription completed in 3 steps: initiation, elongation and termination. Initiation means start of the transcription. Elongation means how much length of RNA will be formed according to the length of the structural gene. And at the point of the termination, when sequence of terminator base sequences which are responsible to terminate the formation of RNA, when at the 3' end of the template strand where promoters present, promoter is the base sequence. So at the promoter site of the template strand, RNA polymerase with the sigma factor. Sigma factor's responsibility is the sigma factor when attached with the RNA polymerase. On that time, initiation will be start. So not only by the RNA polymerase, transcription will be start. with the attachment of sigma factor to the RNA polymerase at the promoter site, initiation of the transcription will be start. RNA polymerase bind with the promoter to initiate the process of transcription. Association with initiation factor, sigma factor. Sigma factors alters the specificity of RNA polymerase, alters the specificity by the sigma factor to initiate the transcription. So sigma factor is responsible to initiate the transcription, not only RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase is only function to make the RNA strand, read the template strand and making RNA, but start of the mRNA formation, start the transcription process starts by the sigma factor. After that, what happens? Elongation. Sigma factors fall down after the initiation of transcription. Sigma factors fall down. RNA polymerase enzyme uses nucleoside triphosphate as a substrate to form the RNA strand and polymerizes in according to the template strand and followed by the formation of RNA strand. Sequence of bases what will be complementary to the template strand. If on the template strand will be guanine, on the mRNA will be cytosine. So complementarity followed and this process is called elongation. Termination occurs. When will be termination of the to terminate the transcription? The termination factor rho alters the specificity of RNA polymerase enzyme to terminate the transcription. For the initiation, sigma factor alters the specificity of RNA polymerase to initiate the transcription. Rho factor alters the specificity of RNA polymerase to terminate the transcription process. As the RNA polymerase proceed to perform elongation, as the RNA polymerase proceeds to perform elongation, a short stretch of RNase remains bound to the enzyme. As the enzyme reaches the termination site, termination region, this nascent RNA falls off and the transcription is terminated. When for the termination, at the termination site, Rho factor attach with the RNA polymerase and stop the elongation process. Newly formed RNA, small segment of RNA falls off and RNA polymerase with the Rho factor dissociates to the template strands at which place? At the termination site, and transcription will be terminated. Transcription process will be terminated. When will be transcription start? When sigma factor attached with the RNA polymerase. Termination of the transcription when will be? When RNA polymerase enzyme associates with the Rho factor at the termination region. So this is all about the transcription process and formation of RNA, mRNA. Different types of RNA formed by the involvement of different RNA polymerase enzyme. We will see in later section.